Hi there, this is our plasma cutter. It's got a 1200 by 2.4 travel on the table. It's come out of a company closure. They purchased it in 2013. It's in really good working order. As you can see, it's a sealed trough there with water in it. The plasma unit is a quality Italian made thermodynamics professional. It's a 25mm cut master, so it can do 25mm mild steel, and the axis control for it's an American made canned CNC ESP2. It's got a mobile cabinet, a mobile trolley there, which all of this is supposed to go in. We've just wired it up for use. So you've got your screen there. The software controlling that axis is a Mac 3 CNC software program. It's also got a USB stick in that hard drive with a few other programs, etc. And that's pretty much it here. We've just put a simple program into it, and we'll run you through that. So that's it there. It will be cooling down. But yeah, as you can see, it's carved out some spanners there, or the shape of spanners, and there they go there. So there it is. It's a really nice setup and all set to go.